folks, today it's the Alpha Star Core from ACEdc. If you've ever owned the 3B spinner slash haptic coin from them, you've kind of already owned this piece then. It's very similar, just with kind of a wonky shape that mimics the Pico that they released. You can kind of see the outline of the Pico, so it's kind of keeping that same shape family, but ultimately it's almost like an illusion. It is round if you follow the full outside edge. You've got a haptic coin outside and the odd spinner right there with again a Pico shaped button in a way. I've already changed out the bearing. See, here's the box. And the bearing I put in was one that usually comes in a cap spinner. Coincidentally, this one does not have a bearing that comes in a cap spinner, but that is a cap spinner nonetheless. So in terms of extras, yeah, an extra bearing. You've got some extra balls and springs and some stickers. Ooh. That would be tight right there. Cool. Yeah, check out this box. This was my original Fidget holder, right? That was my original Fidget that I outfitted with all these stickers from different brands that I got. Kids helped me do that. It's pretty sweet. Stickers got to go on there. I'm thinking about getting a Fidget tattoo too. It's going to be the next one. Wife's on board. All right. So let's open this up here and take a look at what we got going inside. Okay. Just a haptic coin. Now that I realize it didn't come with a tool to get that out, but lucky for me, just use my fingers. Okay. Pop that little ring out. There's your spinner. Oh, it's going to be this thing. She is. Wife won't watch this, but I did use a set of tweezers that she had the other day to pry this piece loose on my mott mix, and I ruined them. Oops. Oops. She said, "Did you use my tweezers? They're not working." Oh, no. Not me, dear. I would never ruin your stuff. All right. Okay, we open that up. Little Teflon ring in there. Voila. Pretty simple. I like the larger balls and the detent pattern here. It's got that little skate plate in between, which kind of gives some really good pops. Okay. Oh, this was number 4 of 150. Cool. So I'll turn this over here. Got these 2 springs. Now you could change this to be any odd. See, I didn't do perfectly straight across. Let's see what that sounds like. You can add more. Maybe get a really odd sound. I just don't know if I'm sold on the outside shape. That's really kind of my hang up with this piece. Ooh. That's a really good sound. Let's take it. I'm in. Pop that back in there. Pop this in there. Gotta hold it all together. Spin that back around. A little thumb pressure does just enough. That way you don't over tighten it. Okay. Put the bearing back in there. Cut my fingers somehow. Oh. My God. Anyway, did you guys watch Severance last night? Holy cow. Season 2 just started. God, I love that show. Okay. Listen to that. That made a bit of a difference, just doing a little off center. So not perfectly, not directly straight across from each other, just a little off center. Okay, yeah, those are good. Love using calipers for that. Put it back together here. Same spin. Didn't get any new noise out of that. But that is a significantly better haptic coin now. Whoa. Holy crap, that just made a huge difference. Okay, well, damn, I was like kind of ready to sell, review and sell, but now probably going to spend some time with that. There you go, folks.